Hi, I'm Dawn Mucci and welcome to my channel, Head Lice Expert. For over 2 decades, I've been helping families and children solve their lice problem. My mission has always been to stop the stigma associated with head lice and to stop the overuse and abuse of pesticides on people and the planet. I have an important message for you. If you're dealing with lice and you're stressed out or feeling bad about that, you're not alone. It's the second most communicable affliction next to the common cold in children, and anybody can get lice. The good news is my channel can help you solve your lice issue. When you subscribe or become a member, I've created a whole suite of do-it-yourself videos, everything you need to know on how to deal with lice, to get you over that stress and on to better things in life. I teach you how to self-screen, how to screen your kids, what to do for your environment. I teach you prevention tips. I teach you reduction combing. Everything you ever wanted to know to successfully get rid of lice is free on this channel. Of course, not everybody can come into one of our salons or have us come to them on a mobile visit. So I wanted to give back and make this information free and also provide tools that people can use to be successful in their efforts to get rid of lice themselves. So please subscribe, become a member, and you will then have access to all of those videos. I also do a monthly giveaway, so once you do subscribe, once a month I pick somebody to win one of our kits, which is $100 value. That kit has the best medical device in it for you to be able to get rid of lice. It has all the information on how to do that. At the end of the day, you really don't need to use any type of topical treatments. You don't have to go to the drugstore and waste your money on things that no longer work, because lice have mutated and evolved, and they've become a little more resistant than they used to be, some of the over-the-counter products. A good old-fashioned reduction combing will work every time. It's what we've done day in, day out, tried and true. We can do the work for you, or you can do the work yourself, but my mission is to help you and provide you with that information, all the tools and resources you need. So please subscribe, and also if you're interested in becoming part of the Lice Squad family as a franchise owner, or perhaps even becoming an employee or contractor, we're always looking for superheroes to help us in communities across Canada. You can reach me, Dawn, at licesquad.com. You can send a resume to careers@licesquad.com, and any questions or concerns, help@licesquad.com. Comments and something below. I will help create a video for something that you might be interested in. My next video is going to cover how to pick a good quality lice comb. There's a lot of lousy lice combs out there, trust me, and there's a lot of knockoffs that pretend to be good lice combs. So I'm going to tell you the difference. I'm going to have like a good, better, best differential, so you know what type of comb to get when you're trying to deal with lice, and that will be in my next upcoming video. So thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, become a member, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, and have a lice-free day.